What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Today, I'm so excited to share with you guys this 90% accurate boom and crash trading strategy that is going to allow you to trade from any time frame and still make good profits. So you can use this in your 1 minute time frame, you can use this in your 5 minute time frame, in the 50 minute time frame, even in your 1 hour time frame, and be able to make some really good profit. So today I'll share with you the settings for the strategy, and then we'll go through the conditions that have to be met in order for you to find an opportunity to trade and place a trade. So this is how the strategy looks like. We're already in profit in some of our trades, and I want to share with you guys the whole process from the moment you install the strategy up until you start trading it. Remember, I always say, please try the strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to a real account, because trading is very risky, and when you're just starting, you'll be making a lot of mistakes. So I want you guys to then be able to analyze properly on a live account once you are profitable on your demo account. Okay, so if you guys really enjoy these videos, please make sure you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell so that I notify you when I post the next video that's coming up. And let's get to 100 likes, guys. At least if I know that I have 100 people that are listening and following instructions, then we know that we're going somewhere, and maybe those people, I'll add them and they'll start mentoring others as well. So this is how the strategy looks like. What I'll do right now is I'll go to my indicator section and I'll remove all the indicators that I have, and as you can see, I'm left with a blank chart on crash 500. We are in our 1 minute time frame, which is the time frame of choice of today, and we're going to see how this strategy performs. Okay, so the first indicator that I want to add, okay, I'm going to go to my indicator section and we're going to add an indicator that is more like a trend line. If you guys have been following me, you know what indicator that is already, and that's a 60 EMA. Okay, a 60 exponential moving average. Okay, and basically it has the following properties. We've got a period of 60, a shift of 0. The method is exponential. Apply to close, can allow it to appear on all time frames. There are no need for any levels for this indicator, and you can see I chose the black color for this indicator. So if I click done, you see that we will have that black EMA 60 running across our charts, which is our first indicator. Okay, moving on, we need to add a couple of indicators. So I'm going to go back to my indicator section and we're going to add the next indicator, which is our relative strength index, or our RSI as you guys know it. This is the one which has the following properties. We've got a period of 1, apply to close. We've got these 3 levels: level 90, level 10, and level 50. Our level 90 is our sell zone, our buy zone is level 10, and our take profit zone is level 50. And the styling for this indicator is white. I chose the white color, or the same color as your background. So if you have a black background, make sure this one is black. If you have a white background like me, you choose white as well. Okay, so if I click done, you see that what will only appear down here will be the levels that we have for the buy zone, a take profit zone, and a sell zone, and nothing else is inside of our indicator window 1, which is perfect. Now we're going to install a series of moving averages under our indicator window 1. So I want you guys to pay very close attention to it. Okay, so the first moving average we will add will be having a period of 5. The shift is 0. The method is simple. Apply to close. I'll change this color to green. Okay, so these will be the final properties. We don't have any levels, and it can appear on all time frames. Okay, like I said, you can use this strategy on any time frame. Okay, so if I click done, you see that green line appearing on our charts. Next, again, under our indicator window 1, we're going to add a moving average. This time it will have a period of 3. The shift will remain as 0. The method will remain as simple. Apply to close, and the style will be changed to red. Okay, and then I'll click done, and you see that there'll be a red line added onto the charts as well. Okay, moving on, last but not least, we're going to add another indicator under our indicator window 1, which is a moving average as well, and it has a period of 2. The shift remains as 0, the method remains as 0, and apply to close. And we're just going to change this color to blue. Okay, done. And you'll see that we have successfully installed the strategy that we had in the beginning of this video, and you can see it appearing right on our charts. What's left is basically for us to understand when I'm going to be entering into a buy trade and when I'm going to be entering into a sell trade. Okay, now like I said, you can use it on any time frames, but today we're going to be demonstrating it on our 1 minute time frame, which is exactly what we are looking at right now. Now there are a few conditions that need to be met when you're using this strategy. Number one, you just have to first identify whether you are in a buy zone or you are in a sell zone. When you see these lines approaching your buy zone like this, you're going to go to your main chart and wait for price to cross the black line to be above. Okay, so I'll say this is our first condition. We have to be in a buy zone, and we were in a buy zone in that region. Then we wait for our price to go and break to be above this black line that you see, and it did right away there. And this is all you need for you to enter into a buy trade. Okay, and as you can see, actually our market moved all the way up like that, just from our two conditions only. Okay, we can look for another opportunity for a buy trade, and you see what I'm talking about. The first thing is you want to have these lines in your buy zone. Secondly, you're going to wait for a break on your black line, and here you go all the way up. Can you see that we already have 2 out of 2 trades successfully predicted and successfully done? Okay, let's go to the next buy trade that we see. We see another one here. Price went all the way up, 3 out of 3 already, and that's good enough. Let's take a look at sell trades, because this video is going to be way too long if we keep on going. Now, one thing I want you guys to take note of is on your sell trades, it's basically the same thing. You want to be in your sell zone, and you want candlesticks to break to be below, this time the black line. They have to be below the black line, and as you can see, price drove all the way down like that. Let me show you what is not a sell trade, just to show you that this strategy is powerful. Can you see at this region we are in our sell zone, but our price has not yet crossed our black line, so you are not supposed to enter into this trade. It's still feeding this buy trade, but it's just telling you that you're going to have to wait. And you can see that the spikes are getting bigger, which means price is now trying to push down. Can you see that the spike that is here is smaller than the spike that is here? Okay, even from the start, we had this small spike, now it got bigger and bigger, and now I think the next one will be actually way bigger than this one, and probably it will indicate that we're going to sell eventually when we cross this black line to be below it, and then we'll be looking for those sell trades. Okay, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and you turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified the next time I post a video. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. At least if I only have 100 likes, I'll be motivated to keep sharing with you guys this information right here for free. You can also join our Telegram channel for free, where there are over 7,000 traders there that are looking at the market with us together, and I also share my trading results in that group from these strategies and from my own personal strategies, and you also be able to see some of the things that I am looking at in terms of trading. Okay, you can also see my students' results, those that I mentor and those that I give signals. You also see how successful their signals are. Okay, and you can see how our account management program is going. Everything that we post, and actually everything that we posted from the beginning of the year, you'll be able to see it in the Telegram channel if you join right now. The link will be in the description box below, and you can just click it and it will take you straight to your Telegram channel, and you can just click join and you'll join for free. You'll also be able to find my personal number if you want to chat with me privately. That number will be available again in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. and it's free to join. Okay, so if you guys are interested in a part 2 of this video, if you want to see more analysis of this video on a different time frame or on a different pair, please comment interested in the comment section below, and I'll attend and do that video. If you get to 10 people commenting interested, I'll definitely do it, because you guys are everything. Okay, so let's take a look at maybe boom 500 and see how this strategy was operating. Okay, let's take a look at boom 500. Now at this point, our indicator told us that we are in a buy zone, which means we're supposed to wait for price to cross to be above our black line and continue in this uptrend. And can you see how profitable that was? Okay, same thing. Even if you want to enter into a sell, your indicator will still tell you that we're in a sell zone, and you still have to wait for this break to be below this time, and you can go all the way down. Actually, this time it didn't fail that much. It didn't fall that much. We actually got to some of our, I think this was a main resistance level. I can see that price kept on respecting this region. This is where your price action then comes in. So you also have to learn price action, which is what I deeply teach, and confluence trading as well, so that you can get these easy money and easy pips just like that. Okay, so if you guys have understood what I said in this video, I'll see you with the results next up. Until next time.